By the way, happy birthday to high school coach, to national coach, big time coach, and my good friend, Maron Gordon. Maron, I hope you have an absolutely amazing day, and wish you many, many more. God bless.
All right, so we told you we're going to give you a throwback video. Neville went to Clancarthy Primary to do some reading sessions with the grade 2 children. And here is what happened.
Them teach me.
The more you read, the more things you will know. The more you learn, the more places you'll go.
I will keep my goals inside. Parents and teachers try to show us the way. They may not be perfect, but we should listen to what they say. Welcome to Clancarthy Primary School.
Uncle Neville spent some time with grade 2 students at Clancarthy Primary School in recognition of International Literacy Day. Neville took on over 40 6-to-8-year-old students in an early morning reading session. What are we reading? Freddy's Cunning Plan, illustrated and written by Shania Virgin.
I'm going to read a book. It's called Freddy's Cunning Plan. Auntie Unica told you that you could ask me any question you want, but at the end of the story, I'm going to ask you some questions about the book, which means that you have to listen. It says Freddy could not do his math homework. He didn't even want to try. Suddenly, he had a cunning plan. Cheating. You know what cheating means? Okay. His big sister was walking across the corridor whistling when she heard the beeping noises from the calculator. The door to Freddy's room was slightly open, so his sister was able to pop her head through the door a tiny bit. Just as Freddy was about to press number 8, she rushed downstairs to tell Dad. Dad was very angry because Freddy was cheating again. Dad stomped upstairs with his arms crossed and threw Freddy's bedroom door open. He threw it so hard it almost fell off. Although Freddy had his back to the door, he could see his dad's reflection on his calculator. He turned around quickly and tried to hide the calculator. Then out popped another head from behind Freddy's dad. He knew it was his sister because of her annoying giggle, and not to mention all the makeup she had on. He rubbed out some or most of his cheated work and put some random wrong numbers in its place. Then he tiptoed out. You know what random means? So he just wrote any number. He just wrote any number. So if he saw 5, he rubbed it out and he probably wrote 9 or 7. He just wrote any number. Freddy grabbed his homework excitedly the next day and ran all the way to school faster than a cheetah. Freddy learned his lesson. He had to do all the chores at home and at school too. He said sorry to everyone and promised never to cheat ever again. That's the end of the story.
Did you know reading enhances your memory? Reading expands your vocabulary. Reading reduces stress and anxiety. Reading develops a child's imagination. Now let's see how much the little ones were listening to the story. It's question and answer time.
Let me ask this young lady right here. He was cheating and his father was trying to do what? No, but in rubbing it out, his father was trying to do what?
Punish him. Punish him.
Huh? Right, beautiful. I read a lot because I learn from reading. And even sometimes when I read and I don't understand the word, I either look up the word or there's a word called context. or you get your parents or your teacher, you get served to help you if you don't understand.